Well, here at Abbotsford Hospital, the Fraser Valley Healthcare Foundation is looking for your support in raising $1.2 million for a much-needed expansion to their ER.
On average, we see over 200 patients every single day that come through our doors. Our department was meant for roughly 55,000 patients a year, and we're over 70,000. I think even last numbers, I'd have to quote, but maybe over 80,000 patients that actually come through our doors here. So this expansion is actually really needed for our city and our community.
Why do we need an expansion to the current ER here at Abbotsford Hospital?
Abbotsford is such an amazing place to live. We've had an amazing influx of people, far, far more than any anticipated when the hospital was at least first built. But unfortunately, what that's left us with is quite a crunch in the emergency department. Now what we need are additional funds in such a way that it'll be a very functional space for the public.
Trauma room, how can I help you?
Talk to me in brief about your experience here at Abbotsford Hospital.
My husband was unconscious very quickly, and things were progressing very quickly to the point that they didn't think he was going to survive hours, let alone days. And because of everybody just overdoing their job, they made things different than what the ultimate circumstances could have been.
Remax Little Oak Realty and the agents in our office have donated over the last 20 years a little bit of money per transaction to the local hospital in our own community. I can't think of a better place to put our donations.
And you yourself, have you ever had to use the hospital here yourself? Or?
Sure. Broken Achilles tendon, that was the last one, I think.
If you come here at around 4 or 5 o'clock, usually all of our monitored beds and our cardiac beds will be full, as will our hallway patients here.
We are wanting to add 9,000 of additional square feet to the current space that we have already. This will allow us to have 10 new patient bays, a cardiac intake suite, and 2 brand new trauma bays, which will be a huge help to have patients flow through the emergency department.
Yeah, I think so. Ended up getting like 4 liters in ICU. The $1.2 million, it's going to provide state-of-the-art equipment for our emergency department. The bigger trauma rooms are key. Having larger trauma rooms with state-of-the-art equipment, everything from being able to manage someone's airway when they're very, very sick will be very important.
What happens without the funds? If we don't have that expansion, what happens?
Well, we're stagnant. And our community is growing, so we're busting at the seams.
We are left trying to scramble and trying to provide the best care we possibly can in rather austere conditions at times.
To learn more, and more importantly, to donate, please visit the website. Dean Atwell, Fraser Focus.